card. Yesterday we had stopped at Ethernet card. Ethernet card means Ethernet card is one kind of network adapter. These adapters support the Ethernet standards for high-speed network connection via cables. So Ethernet cards are such particular device which help the systems to get connected to the internet with the help of network cables or with the help of any particular cable. Ethernet cards are sometimes known as network interface card. Underline this statement. Ethernet cards are sometimes known as network interface card. Means अगर आपको पूछा जाए कि what is a network interface card, then also you are going to answer the same thing. And if it is asked what is Ethernet card, then also you will be explaining the same thing. Ethernet is the most commonly used local network technology deployed with transmission speed heading upward into the gigabits range. Means the Ethernet or LAN. Ethernet is a technology which is most commonly used for implementing LANs, and they provide the speed of gigabits per second. It depends ki which type of ISP you have opted, which particular type of cables you have used. On the basis of that, the speed depends of your LAN. It is the most widely installed local area network technology that I have already told you that that Ethernet is the most commonly used technology for implementing LANs. Ethernet is a link layer protocol in the TCP/IP stack describing how network devices can format data for transmission to other network devices on the same. Yes, Anushka Gupta. Anushka Gupta.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ बेटे.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ बेटा बोलिए.
मैम which chapter you are?
बेटा चैप्टर नंबर 3. बेटा चैप्टर नंबर 3 नेटवर्क कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग.
Okay ma'am. And ma'am, first and second chapter you have given the question answer.
Beta, question answers will not be given to you. Now you'll be getting notes only, and you have to prepare those notes. You have to learn those notes. Questions we can ask in any of the form. Now you have to understand the question. You have to understand the question, and you'll be answering that question. Okay. So first chapter notes I had given earlier, and chapter 2 notes I'll be giving you by Saturday. Okay. Okay. So let's move forward. What I was explaining, that Ethernet is a link layer protocol in the TCP/IP stack. TCP/IP you all know is a protocol. So it is having multiple layers. So it is also known as TCP/IP stack, and Ethernet is working on the link layer of that particular of TCP/IP stack, and it is responsible for how network devices can format data for transmission to other network devices on the same network segment. Means in the same network premises, how data will be transported and in which format data will be transported is the responsibility of Ethernet protocol, which is in TCP/IP suite, and how to put that data out on the network connection. Means data compatibility is the responsibility of Ethernet or link layer protocol in TCP/IP stack. Clear at this point, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's move forward. Next one is your router. Router has come from the word route. Route means rasta, path, way. So ER लग जाता है means करने वाला या बताने वाला. As you all know, ER जब हम English word में add कर देते हैं, जिन words के साथ add होता है, the meaning gets changed to करने वाला और बताने वाला. So router means the device which decides the route of your data, path of your data, way of your data. Means on which way, on which path your data will travel. That is decided by the router. So routers are networking devices used to extend or segment networks by forwarding packets from one logical network to another. एक network से दूसरे network पर how data will be traveling, this is decided by the router. A router is a device that forwards data packets along networks, means between networks. A router is connected to at least two networks, commonly two LANs or WANs, or a LAN and its ISP network. So router can be routers are used to connect two networks, and those networks may be two LANs, two WANs, or LAN and ISP, means our network and our ISP network. ISP means internet service provider, means the company which has given us the facility of using internet. ओके तो दो नेटवर्क्स मींस दो लैंस, दो मैन्स, दो वैन्स को कनेक्ट करने के लिए या फिर लैन और आईएसपी को कनेक्ट करने के लिए रूटर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है. रूटर्स आर लोकेटेड एट गेटवेज, द प्लेसेस वेयर टू और मोर नेटवर्क्स कनेक्ट. Gateway in simple terms you can say is the entry point to any other network. Okay, gateways simply are the gates by which the data packet enters to some other network. Data packet आपका किसी दूसरे network में enter करता है by the gateway. Okay, so routers are located at gateways, means they are located at the entry and exit point of your network. The place routers are most often used in large internet networks that use the TCP/IP protocol suite and for connecting TCP/IP host and local area networks to the internet using dedicated lease lines. So two or more than two large networks are connected using router, and they are using TCP/IP protocols. TCP/IP protocols for connecting host means the service provider, and the LAN means the user to the internet using dedicated lease lines. Dedicated lease lines means it is the responsibility, whole sole responsibility of your you can say whole sole responsibility of router to forward the data to other network, to other computer in a reliable manner, means secured manner. Data will not be lost, data will not be hacked. This is the responsibility of your router. Clear at this point, everyone? Beta, if clear, then raise your hand. Raise your hand, everyone. Is it clear or not? Okay. Only 5 or 6 students have understood what I have told them. What about rest of the students? Aditya Agarwal, Akansha Goyal, Angel, Anubhav Bansal, Anushka Gupta, Arpita Srivastav, are you not able to understand? Only 21 students. Okay. Okay, now raise those students, raise your hand who are not able to understand. जिन्हें नहीं समझ में आया है, now those students will be raising the hand so that I can solve their problem. Yes, Angel. Angel. Okay. So let's move forward when no problem is there. Next point is your hub. Hub is the most basic networking device that connects multiple computers to other network devices together. Means it is a device which is used to connect multiple computers or multiple devices together in a network. मल्टीपल मोर देन वन डिवाइसेस को कनेक्ट करने के लिए और नेटवर्क शेयरिंग के लिए जो डिवाइस यूज होती है, दैट डिवाइस इज नोन एज हब. Unlike a network switch or router, a network hub has no routing tables or intelligence on where to send information and broadcast all network data across each connection. So it is capable of connecting multiple devices only. It is not capable of connecting multiple, routing the data. The statement is saying a network hub has no routing tables. Routing table means that particular table on which all the routes are defined, and router takes help of that table by which it decides the route of your data. So there is no capacity of handling routing table to the hub. आपके हब के पास रूटिंग टेबल को हैंडल करने की कैपेसिटी नहीं है, सो इट इज नॉट एन इंटेलिजेंस डिवाइस. एंड व्हाट इट इज सेइंग नेक्स्ट लाइन, no routing tables or intelligence on where to send information and broadcast all network data across each connection. How to broadcast the data, how to send the data, that is not capability of your hub. Hub is only responsible for connecting multiple devices together. Most hubs can detect basic network errors such as collision, but having all information broadcast to multiple ports can be a security risk and cause bottleneck. तो आपकी हब जो है that can detect basic network error such as collision. Collision means होता है आपका टकराव. When two packets, data packets are traveling from opposite directions, means one is coming from left hand side and other one is coming from right hand side, means so what will happen, there is only one lane by which only one person can travel, and from both the sides persons have come, then what will happen, no one will be able to move forward. The same happens here also in your network path. If data has come from both the sides, then collision will occur, and as a result of that the data may be lost even. डेटा कोलाइड होगा तो डेटा के लॉस होने के चांसेस पूरे हैं, डेटा के करप्ट होने के चांसेस पूरे होते हैं. ओके, तो हब कैन डिटेक्ट दैट कोलिजन ओनली, and what next statement is saying, but having all information broadcast to multiple ports can be a security risk and cause bottlenecks. Bottleneck is a situation, is a traffic like situation, जहां पर हेवी ट्रैफिक होता है, ट्रैफिक जैम लाइक सिचुएशन होती है bottleneck आपकी, and hub can detect that situation also, and when multiple ports are reading the data, that also may be a security risk. For example, one envelope is there and that envelope is meant for some student, any student of the class, for any one student of the class. अब क्या होता है, that student is sitting at the last bench. Now that envelope is handed over by the teacher to the first row. अब फर्स्ट रो में एनवेलप में अंदर लिखा हुआ है कि ये डेटा किसके लिए है, ये पर्टिकुलर एनवेलप किसके लिए है. ऑन द टॉप इट इज नॉट रिटन, जहां पर हम टू और फ्रॉम लिखते हैं ना, वहां पर नहीं लिखा हुआ, अंदर लेटर जो है उसमें लिखा हुआ कि ये किसके लिए मेंट है. देन व्हाट विल हैपन, ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट विल open that envelope, read that data, and then only it will be transferred to the original person. So the same happens in broadcast of your hub. हब क्या करता है, जब डेटा ब्रॉडकास्ट करता है तो आपका डेटा जो है is accessed by every device. So security is not a concern by the hub. Security risk होता है आपका, और bottleneck जैसे सिचुएशन क्यों होगी, क्योंकि एक डेटा है जो कि हर पर्सन के पास पहुंच रहा है, so it is taking very much time to reach to the destination. इसलिए ट्रैफिक जैम जैसी सिचुएशन हो जाती है. Hubs connect computers together in a star topology network. Hubs are mainly used in star topology to form a network. Due to their design, they increase the chances for collision. आपका जो इनका pattern है working, or the format on which hubs are prepared, on the basis of that collision of chances are increased. Means data collision के chances बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं, because there is no signal कि आपका जो path है, जो channel है, that is occupied और free. तो क्या होगा, कोई भी हमारा डेटा सेंड कर सकता है, जबकि अगर हम बात करते हैं स्विचेस में और रूटर्स में, then they are having flag option. If channel is occupied, then flag is on, and if channel is free, then flag is off. Means it is available, you can send your data. Okay. Hubs operate in the physical layer of the ISO model and have no intelligence. Hubs के पास अपनी कोई intelligence नहीं होती है, and they operate at the ISO at physical layer of the ISO model. Just like TCP/IP suite, one other model is there that is known as ISO model. और hubs आपके ISO model के physical layer पे work करते हैं. बेटा underline the statement. Hubs operate in the physical layer of the ISO model and have no intelligence. This can be asked in fill in the blanks or in the form of true false to you. Okay. In the past network hubs, hubs were popular because they were cheaper than a switch and router. Today switches do not cost much more than a hub and are much better solution for any network. तो क्या कह रहा है, in the past network hubs were popular because they were cheaper than a switch and a router. Means उनकी cost बहुत कम थी, and nowadays switches and routers are almost similar in cost to the hub. So persons are preferring switches and routers over hub. Yes, Anushka Gupta, what is the problem, beta?
Ma'am, I'm asking. Ma'am, I'm asking which line you tell to online.
Hubs operate in the physical layer of the ISO model and have no intelligence.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Everyone clear at this point? Better raise your hand if it is clear. Everyone raise your hand. It is clear or not? Only 19 students have understood. And what about rest of the students? Okay, everyone, down your hands. Down your hands, everyone. Now only those students will be raising hand जिन्हें समझ में नहीं आया है. Yes, Anushka Gupta. Anushka Gupta.
Ma'am, asking how, due to the design, मैम हाथ से सब में
Your voice is not clear. Ask your question again.
मैम ड्यू टू दैट डिजाइन है मैम, हाथ से समझ नहीं आया है.
Due to their design, they increase the chances for collision. Okay. Mute
Yes मैम.
yourself.
What is called मैम collision?
Collision means होता है टकराव. अभी मैंने ऊपर यहाँ पर आपको पढ़ाया था ना, most hubs can detect basic network errors such as collision. यहाँ पर मैंने बताया था ना, collision means टकराव, कि आपकी एक लेन है जहाँ पर एक से ज्यादा पर्सन नहीं जा सकते हैं, एक बार में एक ही बंदा क्रॉस कर सकता है. तो दोनों एंड से अगर पर्सन आ गए तो क्या होगा, बीच में दोनों लोग स्टक हो जाएंगे. ना तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से आया हुआ पर्सन आगे जा पाएगा, ना राइट हैंड साइड से आया हुआ पर्सन आगे जा पाएगा. The same situation is your collision. ठीक है. तो आप इसकी जो डिजाइनिंग टेक्नोलॉजी है ऑन जो वर्किंग पैटर्न है, on the basis of that chances of collision are increased. Now hub operates in the physical layer of the ISO model. I told you that just like TCP/IP route, one ISO model is there which is responsible for the working of internet. तो ये आपका फिजिकल लेयर पे वर्क करता है. एंड hubs in the very early days, hubs were cheap, means having less cost in comparison with router and switches, but nowadays they are having same cost like hubs and switches and routers. So just because of the security reasons, just because of the intelligence point of view, persons are preferring switches and routers routers over the hub. आपके switches and routers को ज्यादा preference दी जा रही है, ना कि hub को. Okay, clear at this point now? बेटा समझ में आ गया? Okay, let's move forward then. Switches. Switches are the next topic. Okay. Switches are a special type of hub that offers an additional layer of intelligence to basic physical layer repeater hub. Switches in simple terms आपके just an extension of hub हैं which are having intelligence. A switch does essentially what a hub does but more efficiently. काम same है but the working capacity has been increased, working capacity has been efficient, means they are having intelligence also. By paying attention to the traffic that come across it, it can learn where particular addresses are. Now it is having the capacity to identify the address, to detect the address, means from where your data has been sent and to which computer your data has been sent. जैसे हमने हब में आपको बताया था कि data is accessed by each and every device and then it is sent to the destination, but switches are having intelligence. They detect the receiver address, means destination address, and directly send that data to that destination. ठीक है. A switch must be able to read MAC address. MAC address is the IP address of that particular system to which data has been sent. This information allows switches to repeat incoming data frames only to the addressed computer. Means कि your information will be sent to that system only to which this information was meant. जिस सिस्टम के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन सेंड की गई थी उसी सिस्टम पर सिर्फ ये इंफॉर्मेशन जाएगी, बाकी किसी सिस्टम पर इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं जाएगी. इन दिस वे the time and the traffic will be reduced over the network. Switches learn the location of the devices that are connected to almost instantaneously. The net result is that most network traffic only goes where it needs to rather than to every port. On busy networks, this can make the network much faster. So same thing has been explained over here कि आपके हर एक सिस्टम पर डेटा ना जा करके सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसी सिस्टम पर जाएगा जिस सिस्टम के लिए डेटा है, दिस वे नेटवर्क ट्रैफिक विल नॉट अकर and traffic jam situation will not occur. Clear, everyone? Raise your hand if it is clear. Anushka Srivastav. Anushka Gupta, turn off your video, beta. What about rest of the students? Okay, down your hands, everyone. Now raise your hand. If only those students will be raising the hand who are not able to understand. जिन्हें नहीं समझ में आया सिर्फ वो बच्चे हैंड रेज करेंगे. Now raise your hand if you are not able to understand any of the point. Okay, none of you. So let's move forward then. Next topic is your gateway. So gateway क्या कह रहा है? A network gateway is an internetworking system capable of joining together two networks that use different base protocols. A network gateway can be implemented completely in software, completely in hardware, or as a combination of both. Yes, Harshit Agarwal. Okay, no problem was there. So, gateway is a networking system capable of joining together two networks that use different base protocols. Means if networks are working on different protocols on different ways, then even after that they get connected with the help of gateways. गेटवे आपके दो पर्टिकुलर अलग अलग टेक्नोलॉजी के नेटवर्क्स को भी ऐड करने के लिए यूज होता है आपका गेटवे. यस हर्षित अग्रवाल, क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा?
मैम मुझे ये पूछना था कि जो स्विचेस होते हैं उनकी रेंज कितनी होती है, किस रेंज तक वो नेटवर्क?
की बात बेटा, दोज आर नॉट लाइक आपकी कोई वायरलेस डिवाइस नहीं है ये. दिस इज अ वायर्ड डिवाइस. ओके, so it is capable of handling 16 devices, 32 devices, 64 devices. So it depends ki which capability switch you have got. आपने कितनी capability का switch लिया है, उतने number of systems you can connect.
Okay.
ये wireless device नहीं है जिसकी range होगी. Okay बेटा? So gateways are used to connect two different types of networks. Means the network which are using different technology, different protocols. Even after that they will be connected with the help of gateways. A network gateway can be implemented completely in software, completely in hardware, or as a combination of both. So gateway can be a hardware, can be a software, or can be कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ. दोनों को मिलाकर के भी आप गेटवेज इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. So gateway is a device used to connect network using different protocols. Underline this. Gateway is a device used to connect network using different protocols. And gateways operate at the network layer of OSI model. OSI मॉडल के नेटवर्क लेयर पर आपके गेटवेज वर्क करते हैं. इन ऑर्डर टू कम्युनिकेट विद अ होस्ट और अदर नेटवर्क्स, an IP host must be configured with the route to the destination network. What this is saying? In order to communicate with a host of other networks, दो अलग अलग नेटवर्क्स के होस्ट मींस सर्वर से कनेक्ट करने के लिए, कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए An IP host must be configured with a route to the destination network. एक IP host means आपका one designated host should be there, which will be communicating to the two host of both networks. Clear? Clear to everyone? Better raise your hand. Okay. Okay, what about rest of the students? Now, everyone down your hands. Now, those students will be raising hand only who are not able to understand. सिर्फ वो बच्चे hand raise करेंगे. Now raise your hand if you are not able to understand any of the thing. Yes, Riya Verma. Unmute yourself. Riya Verma. Yes, Harshit.
मैम लास्ट पॉइंट नहीं समझ में आया इसका.
बेटा इन सिंपल टर्म्स यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि लास्ट पॉइंट जो कह रहा है कि जो दो अलग अलग नेटवर्क्स हैं उन अलग अलग नेटवर्क्स में सर्वर होंगे ही होंगे अपने. मींस वन पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस विल बी देयर इन दैट नेटवर्क जो कि आपका सारी की सारी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करवाता है.
यस मैम.
ठीक है. तो उन दो अलग अलग सर्वर्स से कम्युनिकेशन स्टैब्लिश करने के लिए एक आईपी होस्ट की जरूरत होगी. तो उस आईपी होस्ट को कॉन्फ़िगर करने का काम भी आपका गेटवे का होता है. क्लियर? क्लियर हर्षित?
नो.
अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया? नहीं समझ में आया.
मैम आईपी होस्ट क्या होता है?
आईपी
मतलब जो
होस्ट मतलब इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल होस्ट मींस वन डेजिग्नेटेड सिस्टम शुड बी देयर जो कि दोनों के दोनों नेटवर्क के बीच में कम्युनिकेशन स्टैब्लिश करवाएगा और वो सिस्टम आपका गेटवे पर इंप्लीमेंट होता है. आप समझ में आया?
यस मैम, आप समझ में आ गया.
यस काकुल.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ बेटे बोलिए.
मैम मुझे पूछना है कि मैम टेस्ट में चैप्टर 1 आएगा ना?
हाँ, ओनली चैप्टर 1 विल बी कंसीडर्ड.
और मैम सैटरडे को टेस्ट होंगे?
बेटा स्टिल वी आर नॉट हैविंग एनी इंफॉर्मेशन. चांसेस आर देयर क्योंकि उस दिन बकरीद है आपकी, तो पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं कि हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है. बेटर विल बी कि यू प्रिपेयर बाय योरसेल्फ, यू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर द टेस्ट. अगर होता है वेल एंड गुड, नहीं होता है तो नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए हो जाएगा.
और मैम एमसीक्यू टाइप क्वेश्चन आएंगे ना?
MCQ, true false, fill in the blanks, one word answer.
Okay ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
Okay. So today we will be stopping here. Now the meeting will be ended at any of the time. So we are finishing at gateways.